Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro is an archaeological site in Larkana District, Sindh, Pakistan. Built circa 2500 BCE, it was the largest settlement of the ancient Indus Valley Civilization, and one of the world's earliest major cities, contemporaneous with the civilizations of ancient Egypt, Mesopotamia, Minoan Crete, and Norte Chico. Mohenjo-daro is famous for its art found at the site, including trading seals like the Pashupati seal and sculptures like the Priest King and the Dancing Girl. The Indus Valley Civilization declined in the 2nd millennium BCE, and the Harappans abandoned their cities, including Mohenjo-daro. R.D. Banerjee. Mohenjo-daro was discovered in 1922 by R.D. Banerjee, an officer of the Archaeological Survey of India, 2 years after major excavations had begun at Harappa, some 590 kilometers to the north. Large-scale excavations were carried out at the site under the direction of John Marshall, K.N. The archaeological ruins at Mohenjo-daro comprise the first great urban center of the Indus civilization built 5,000 years ago with burnt brick structures. The property continues to express its outstanding universal value through its planning, form and design, materials and location. Mohenjo-daro is located off the right west bank of the lower Indus River in Larkana District, Sindh, Pakistan. It lies on a Pleistocene ridge in the floodplain of the Indus, around 28 kilometers 17 miles from the town of Larkana. Just what ended the Indus civilization, and Mohenjo-daro, is also a mystery. Kenloyer suggests that the Indus River changed course, which would have hampered the local agricultural economy and the city's importance as a center of trade. These 4 lost cities were jewels of ancient Africa. Some historians believe that a huge flood caused to disappear this civilization. Problem with trade. Some historians believe that Mohenjo-daro was the trading partner with Mesopotamia. Due to political unbalance in Mesopotamia, trading was stopped with Mohenjo-daro. Ruins of houses were found in Mohenjo-daro. Such houses were made of mud bricks, stood 2 stories high, and faced narrow alleys. Homes had from 1 to a dozen rooms. Scientists believe that poorer people may have lived in the smaller homes, while richer people lived in the larger homes. Pashupati or the Proto-Shiva was the chief deity worshipped by the people of the Indus Valley Civilization. Archaeological excavations in Mohenjo-daro had retrieved the Pashupati seal. Some scholars, deriving from Marshall, propose the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro to be a forerunner of ritual bathing, central to Hinduism. Mohenjo-daro, group of mounds and ruins on the right bank of the Indus River, northern Sindh province, southern Pakistan. It lies on the flat alluvial plain of the Indus, about 50 miles 80 kilometers southwest of Sukkur and near to Larkana city. Harappa is one of the ancient cities of the Indus Valley Civilization. Harappa was identified in the Punjab region of British India, about 100 miles southwest of Lahore in modern-day Pakistan. Mohenjo-daro was in the Sindh region, which is now the Larkana district of Pakistan. Mohenjo-daro was built around the same time as the Great Pyramids of Egypt. It's the most well-preserved city of the Indus civilization. Today, visitors can still see what's left of streets and homes built from baked brick. Experts think up to 40,000 people may have once lived in Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro, or Mound of the Dead, is an ancient Indus Valley Civilization city that flourished between 2600 and 1900 BCE. The site was discovered in the 1920s and lies in Pakistan's Sindh province. Mohenjo-daro lies on the bank of the Indus River in the Larkana district of Sindh province of Pakistan. According to Sumro, the name Mohenjo-daro was coined by Sir John Marshall, under whose directions the site of Indus Valley Civilization was excavated. Thanks all friends to watch this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe the video.